Kylo! Kylo! Long time no see, welcome back. How are you today? Yay! I'm back. Weedy. Wee. How's your health? I'm better but not 100%, but it's okay. Guys, do you know that maybe this is like different from each of us, but usually when I got sick, I gonna be starting from fever, and then I gonna be continuing to the cough, and then when I almost recover, like almost fully recovered, I gonna end up with a flu. So right now I'm in the flu already, so it's actually I'm far way better than 3 days ago already. Oh, that is different. Yeah, that's like just like my sick arc. So it's gonna be starting from fever and then cough and then flu. Right now I'm in the flu already, so I'm pretty close to fully recovered. Yeah, this is the last phase already. I don't know, people sometimes got the flu first, but nah, for me it's always like the flu last. She's at third phase already, yeah. But the cough is far way better already. Yeah, because 3 days ago, every 3 to 5 minutes, I was like coughing so hard, almost dead. But I was so strong. On the second day, I got 2 big recordings until the staff son, all of the staff son were really worried. Like they asked me to, hey, you know what? Do you need some break? Because it was just so bad. But I said it's okay. We can just finish it today. It's okay. I said I'll not die, and then I continue coughing. It's crazy that the dishwasher soap cost it. Yeah, actually, imagine I drank almost 2 liters of the dishwasher soap. So maybe I was not feeling really well already that time, probably. I don't know, because all of the... To think about, since end of February, I was in Japan. And then after Japan, why Ela, I don't know. And then after Japan, I went to somewhere with Crony, right? And then after that, I was very busy and stressed out with all of the anniversary thingy. And then I went for my vacation again with my family. So I think I was actually not feeling really well, but yeah, I don't know lah. And then I added the problem by drinking dishwasher soap water, dishwasher water. So yeah, and I'm not a person that knows my limit, so I just gonna push through everything pretty much. But don't worry, my body gonna tell me when I need to stop. It sounded very wrong with the context. Everything is just wrong. Why dishwasher water? Nah, it's just okay. So the full context was after all of the trips. It was like a month, right? When since I was away. So I washed my water bottle. The water bottle is plastic. And then I wash it, and then I put it in the dish rack, that's what we call, right? So that it could dry. But when I want to start my stream, it's not dry yet. So I was like, Haya, I need this water bottle lah. So I just took tissue and then I just wiped it out from the water. And then I want to rinse it off, usually with hot water. That's what I always do. But since I didn't really have time to do it, so I just wipe it and then I just fill it full. So it's like almost 2 liters of clean water. And then the water bottle got this straw. So I think everything is just messed up. The straw is probably not really that clean too, I don't know. So everything is just tastes like soap. But I don't think it's only the straw. I think it's also the water bottle, because if it's only the straw, it wouldn't taste like soap even after the first liter. So I think it's just the whole water bottle. Yeah, and then I thought to myself like, Hiya, it's not nice to throw away water. So I just drink it, and every single sip of the water, I thought to myself, wow, tastes really, really like soap. I even mentioned it on stream that time. And then okay, let me drink.
Good. Let's get to it.
Are you prepared?
Wow, the water tastes like dishwasher soap. Very nice. And then after like 1.5 liters of it, I felt like my throat suddenly feels so dry and it feels itchy. Yeah, and then I remember that some of Pamalo also mentioned that, are you coughing right now? Things like that, but I didn't really read it out loud. I mean the chat. And then the next day after the stream, in the morning, it just turns out it's so bad. So yeah. Can you just rest and not streaming? I rest for 3 days already. What do you mean? This is already far way better. And I cannot just sleep the whole day. Kaela coughing bubble. Yeah, rest more. Nah, I slept at 9 p.m. every day for 3 days already. And then even though I was sick, I completed a lot of homework and 2 recordings. Very nice. Yeah, I saw you practicing Bogan in once a few times. Yeah, even guys, you know what? The side effects of the meds were really, really strong. I was trying my best to play Monster Hunter Wilds during in between my rest, but I couldn't. It's just like 2 monsters, and then I was like, I cannot do this. And then I rest, and then I woke up, and then I opened the Monster Hunter again, and then after two monsters, one monster, my head's spinning again, and then so I closed the game again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. And by the way, I got my stainless steel water bottle already. I changed the water bottle already. I still have the dishwasher soap water, a little bit of it, probably like 200 milliliters. Very nice. Why keep it as souvenir? Why are you keeping it souvenirs? We should stay healthy and don't do this again. When Emerson, okay, so the first day, right? The first day after I got sick, I had a meeting, right? I had a meeting, and then the second day, I got 2 recordings, right? So the first day, I told M-chan, I don't know if it's possible to do a recording tomorrow because I'm very sick right now. Like, I'm sick, very sick. And then M-chan was like, what happened? Last night you were still streaming and it was all good. What happened? And then I said, yeah, so I drank dishwasher soap water. And then M-chan was like, why? And then I added the information. I drank almost 2 liters of it. And then M-chan was like, it was so close that M-chan almost canceled the meeting because M-chan totally just died. Yeah. Yeah, Kobo knows about that already too because it's not every day that I got sick, you know. It's like once in a year. Once in a year situation. Everyone is like, why? I don't know. But why you keep drinking it still? I just don't want to throw away like food and drinks. It's water. It's clean water, you know? Like water. It's water. It's mineral water. Ela-chan. Ela-chan! Hi! 何が好き? チョコミントよりもあなたうわ近くなるだんだん近づいてくるだんだん近くなるだんだんもう大きくなるだんだん近くなるだんだん恥ずかしくなるだんだん近くなるだんだん嬉しくなる